Hello everyone, this is Professor Nitin M from RV College of Engineering, and this is my capstone project submission of IUCE course on online teaching. So for the course which I am currently teaching for third semester, Analog Microelectronic Circuits, I am using Canvas as the LMS. So I'll be taking you to the Canvas page and I'll be explaining what all things I have done over there. So this is a login page and I'm logging in using my email ID, which will be, I'll be taking to the courses where I have selected Analog Microelectronic Circuits as a course, which is for the third semester students, and this is the home page. Here I have added Unit 0, which is having the introduction to the course. Starting from course outline, you can see I have given a brief content about the course, the highlights of the course and outcomes. Then coming to the prerequisite, I have added what all things they should know before we start this particular course, that is mostly from their previous semester course. Then this is a timetable, 4 hours per week as given from the department. And this is the syllabus of the course. So syllabus is uploaded to Google Drive and that was shared here. So this is the syllabus, and in the syllabus even COPO mapping is also kept. Next is lesson plan. You can see the lesson plan is also shared through Google Drive and the link is provided. Here week-wise plan is given for the teaching that has to be done online, and at the end we have given COPO mapping and the reference books. And this contains the previous question papers, both semester end papers and internal exam papers, the scheme and solution, everything uploaded to the Google Drive link. And coming to the next section, it is the simulation software links, where I have added Tina and the download link to download the software, and students can use that. And this is a section which is named as self-study, where I will be uploading some videos which can make their understanding easy. This is one animation video showing the working of MOSFET. It is yet to publish. I need to publish it after adding some more videos. And this is meeting hours. Apart from the regular class, students can meet online via Google Meet on Fridays. So these are the contents what I have added in Unit 0. Now coming to Unit 1, I have given the lecture recordings in one section here, and down I have given the lecture PDF. So if I click on one link, it will take me to the YouTube channel of mine, where I have uploaded the video of the class. Yeah, this is the class video. Now going back, down after this lecture recording section, I have the lecture materials PDF. So here from Unit 1, what I am teaching currently, so far for all the classes, the corresponding date and the topics covered are presented, and if they click on this link, they will get the PDF of the lecture. That is also shared through the Google Drive. This is the material. So this is about the content which I have added here. Now coming to the announcement page, all the announcements for the course are given here. You can see that many announcements have been made so far. And coming to assignments, 3 assignments have been given to students, and one is evaluating. So one due date was December 21st. Coming to discussion page, yeah, so there are 3 discussions enabled. One is to report the grievances, and another one is student testimonial, and another one is Unit 1 discussion forum. But the discussions regarding class, it is happening mostly in WhatsApp whenever they have doubts. But students have put their testimonials regarding Canvas, so they felt Canvas is a very good platform, since they are getting all the materials in one place, very systematically arranged and organized. So that's all about discussions, and I'll be showing the grades. So this is the grade book, where each student is evaluated based on their performance in the corresponding assignments given. So quiz is evaluated. This assignment is yet to be evaluated. And for the first one, which is introduction part, there I haven't given any marks. It is just I have made it as complete or incomplete. And finally, coming to the students, I have added students here to this page, and they have uploaded their photos, and many have put their names also. So this is all about Canvas. So far I have uploaded and added these many contents to this Canvas page. Now finally, I just want to share about my reflections on online teaching. So for me, I felt for online teaching we need to prepare more in terms of content. We need to plan, we need to set up the lectures to go live. Then one another thing I observed is students can be engaged better through quizzes and online games. Then students, I observed that students who were hesitant to ask doubts in physical class, they are confident to ask and share their doubts in online class, especially through the chat box window. And since lectures are available as recorded, they can watch, and the LMS is also helping a lot. As a faculty, I felt I'm more systematic now because we have 1 hour of time. We have to partition it and deliver the content very crisp and clear. And one thing is, we are not very sure about weak students, or they are going as passive listeners. I need to yet tackle that. And finally, since we cannot see the face of students directly, the satisfaction level what we usually get in an offline class is missing in online teaching. That's all about this project. Thank you.